This is a daily chart of the SPY. Got a new update here, people. Let's talk about some of the facts here. I'll talk here. I'll talk about this first. So the SPY is setting up to test 232 to 234 in what I call phase 1. And then phase 2, 236 to 240 is possible. For phase 1, though, the February 17, 230 calls could be used. I will be explaining some important facts why I'm thinking this. Well, before I talk about the confirmation and everything, why am I thinking this is that so far this year, this week's been really good with a lot of stocks confirming and doing well. Tesla, 200% gains on weekly options on expiration date, people. That's how good the analysis was. That's how good it confirmed. That's how good the plan worked out. TSLA. Check that out on my stream. As an example, MasterCard. There's a lot of strong setups that are key for the market to go higher. And at least we're going to be testing phase 1 and see how things go there. And then from there, we can talk about phase 2. But I see this market that if it wants to confirm correctly on the phase 1 and then phase 2, these type of numbers could happen. But for now, we'll focus on phase 1, SPY heading to 232, 234. So the first things first, the SPY needs to break above 228.50 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 15 million on a 10-minute chart, at the least, when we hit that level. If the volume is less than that, well, that's the thing, people. If the volume is less than that, before we want to engage in those options, we're probably going to want to watch this base above 28.50 and look for power towards 229 to 229.5. All right, so before I talk about that now, let's go take a look at the options. All right, so here we are at the SPY. Here are the options, the close, January the 6th, 227.21. So let's take a look at the options, what they're costing right now. So what we'll do is we'll go here to this drop-down menu, and we'll go to February the 17th. I want to show you why I chose the 230 calls. All right, now, let's go down. And we'll scroll down. Okay, look at that. Look at the volume. Look at the action here. How strong this is. By the way, if someone wants to use the 231s, they could. Okay, they're trading very well, nice spread, but the 230s are really great. Practically anything you want to use, really, the 228s, 229s. But anyways, for reference sake, we're going to be talking about the 230 calls. Okay, and the 230 calls are trading at right now 183. Well, it says it's so strange. It said it closed one. Well, we'll say 181. Okay, we're going to go by the ask. Okay. So it's trading around 181. So if you're buying an option, for every option you buy that you control 100 shares of the SPY. And in order to control 100 shares of the SPY, you would have to put quite a bit of money down. I mean, someone would have to put at least $23,000, right? So, anyways, for example, even more. So, but with an option, you could trade something good like the market here, and if a person has a small account, you can buy two contracts for let's say $400, argument's sake, on confirmation. It could be a bit more, but $400, and 100% gains is very, very likely, if not more. So you're looking at, making a 400, doubling your money. And if we do 200%, tripling your money. So your 400 turns to 800. So now, if you only had $400 in your account, by the end of the trade, you have $1,200 in your account. Not bad. Not bad for people's small accounts, right? So keep that in mind, right? All right, now. Anyways. This is what the options cost, right? Of course, people with bigger accounts can buy 10, 20, 30, whatever options, various options. But anyways, just to make things simple, we'll talk about 10 options. So 10 options, $2,000. All right, people. And right now, for every option you buy, the calls are, we'll say, roughly, $180 right now on the close. Okay, let's go back to the charts. So basically, if we get good volume as we break 28.5, reasonable, and this is what I consider really good, but something close to that on a minimum, if it's much less than that, forget about it. We need to we'll have to watch this base above 228.5 and look for power towards 229 to 229.5. Now, as this is happening for the SPY, I have individual picks of stocks, and we'll see how they confirm. As other stocks confirm, that'll probably be good for the SPY as well. Okay. Don't forget there are stocks that want to, not every stock wants to go up. There's stocks that are going to go down, stocks that go anywhere. You need to find the right picks. All right, now, so if you like these type of plans, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. And what I'm going to do at the end of the video, see this Sandro Power Target Trades. It's going to appear here in a circle. It's going to format like that, about that size. See how I'm making that circle? You click on that and you can automatically subscribe. But that's the end of the video. I still got a few things I want to talk about. All right, people. And again, you can follow me on Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. There's a link right here. By clicking that, brings you to Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. But I want you to check out my website. I have a couple of important videos for people who want to know more about my SPY picks and what I did on February 11th, February 11th reversal plan, amazing plan. I mean, people were very bearish back on February 11th when I made that plan. Let's go take a look at that right now. Let's click on this link over here. All right, and when you click on that link, it brings you to here, Power Target Trades, my website, powertargettrades.com. Look at that nice background. Isn't that nice, people? Look at that. Yeah, that's so great. And here you have the Google. Now, you know what? Here's this plan you should check out. Google, 300% gains in 3 days. You heard that right, people. Those are with weekly options, and I described the options just like you did this video, the entry, but there's the exit video, and I made the video of the options and what they were worth after the fact. Okay, you want to see this video? This was done for both Google and Apple. Check it out. All right, look at that. Get the scoop. Isn't that nice? Ah, what a nice picture of paradise making money. But anyways, people, following me, that's the greatest thing you can do. All right, study my videos. Anyways, listen, people, you got to check out this video over here. Why can you trust my plans? This video reveals a powerful truth. You want to know something? You see this video, what I said on February 11th, and how badly I made the world record holder look on the SPY. I mean, on the market. Basically, he called it a bear market. Listen, you got to see this market. Okay, you got to see this video. This plan here was posted on February 11th on my stream, and I smoked the world record holder in plans. He had no plan like this. In fact, he was planning for a market. You got to check out this video for yourself and look to the facts, people. That's the skill of analysis that I have. Okay, crushing top professionals in what I do. We'll see what we do now on my 12th, and I made on top of this reversal plan, 10 additional major SPY plans for the year, all correct. Insane. That's how I am. Anyways, I want to get into it, people. Anyways, study my videos, study my plans. No one does it like this. No one. And I'm going to tell you, that's how I feel. No, but I've never seen anyone do this. I studied a lot of different people out there. No one's did this. No one had put this kind of effort that I do. And I've been through hell and back, people. I can tell you this shit. Okay. One thing I give to Zanger is I love his story and his thing. But that was then. This market is 20 times harder than back then. And basically, if he couldn't. Anyways, let's not get to that. Anyways, I want to get into that. But anyways, there was some disrespect by that guy. Anyways, this is why I'm a little bit, giving my opinion on him. But anyways, check out my videos, people. Study my plans. No one's doing what I'm doing, helping people like this. Okay, no one's doing this. These are awesome plans. Batting up 100% gains minimum, winner after winner, just insane. Subscribe to my channel, Power Target Trades. Follow me on Power Trigger Trade on StockTwits and on Twitter. Okay, you can find me here on the link just by clicking that. Get you automatically to Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. Okay, so there you have, people. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.